Hi everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. Have you ever wanted to add a sleek filterable image gallery to your website? Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create one using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. So after watching this video, you will be able to add a filterable image gallery like this, where you can add different categories under different tabs. So let's get started. So the first step is to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. You can find the zip file of the plugin in the description box below. Once you have downloaded the file, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on plugins. Then click on add new plugin and click on upload plugin. Now here, drag and drop the zip file which you have just downloaded and then click on install now. After the installation is complete, click on activate plugin. And now the plugin has been successfully activated. Step number 2 is to use the RAE image gallery widget. And for that, I'm going to open my website on a new tab and then find the page where I want to add the gallery widget. So I'm going to add it here. So I'll click here and then click on edit with Elementor button at the very top. So this will take you to the editing section of the Elementor. So now here, scroll down to responsive add-ons for Elementor and search for RAE image gallery. So you can see the image gallery widget here. Just drag and drop it here. So by default, it will look like this. So the third step is to start customizing the RAE image gallery widget. So I'll customize this gallery widget right now for you so that you can understand how easy it is to make it your own. So the first option you see here under content tab is gallery, and here I am going to insert all the images I plan on using. So click here and select all the images. You can use images from media library or you can upload your own images as well by clicking on upload files. So once you have selected all the images, click on create a new library button here and then click on insert gallery. And now all the images has been inserted on the gallery. Now under layout, you will see these 4 options. Grid layout will let you display your images in rows and columns. Machinery layout will adjust the images in columns according to their size. And justified set all images in the same row at the same height. And carousel will let you display images in a nice slider. So choose one whichever suits your need. Right now I'm going ahead with justified. So now I'm going to toggle the gallery tab so that it minimizes, and then I'm going to click on this tab. So here the first option I get is row height. So from here I can change the height of the rows like this. And the next option is last row layout. So here I get 3 options: no, justify, and height. So sometimes very few images remain in the last row which does not look professional. So this setting lets you handle the images in the last row. If you click on no justify, nothing will happen. The grid will remain as it is. But if you click on justify, it lets you cover the entire row with the images, and height will hide the last row images. So I'm choosing height because I don't want my grid to look unprofessional. So now comes my favorite feature of this widget, which is filterable image gallery. This feature lets you assign different categories to different images, and you can switch between different categories by clicking on the tabs assigned to those categories. I'll show you how it's done. So first of all, you need to toggle this on, and then you get many options. All tab label. So here you can change the name of the tab. You can keep whatever you want to keep, but I am going ahead with all. Default tab on page load. So by default, this tab will be displayed first when the page is loaded. And responsive support lets you display filterable tabs in a drop down in mobile. So once you have toggled it on, go back to gallery and go back to images. And now here, click on the image, and on the right hand side, here under REA categories, you need to assign the categories to the images. So let's start assigning categories to these images. The first category which I'm assigning is winter to this image. Winter here also, winter. And next category is spring. So I'm writing spring to all these images. And next category which I'm assigning is autumn. So once you are done assigning categories to all the images, click on Insert Gallery. And now you can see that different tabs has been appeared here as all, autumn, spring and winter. So if you click on autumn, all the images under autumn will be displayed here. If you click on spring, all the images under spring will be displayed here. And if you click on winter, all the winter images will appear. So now let's go to the third tab, which is additional options. So when you click on additional options, the first feature which you can see is image resolution. So from here you can change the resolution of the image. You can select from the given resolutions or you can customize your own from here as well. The next option is click action. So if you click on click action, you can see 5 options here: lightbox, media file, attachment page, custom link and none. So if you click on lightbox, so now when you click on any image, it will show up on full screen like this. You can change the ordering from here as well. You can choose from default or random. And then you also get an option to display caption on an image. So if you click on image, captions will be shown like this. And if you choose on hover, so when you hover over an image, the captions will be shown like this. And then you also get an option such as clickable caption. So if you toggle this on, the captions will be clickable. The another interesting feature is the custom link. So if you choose custom link, you get option as link target. So here you can choose if you want your targeted URL to be open on the same window or on the new window. So I'm choosing new window, and let me show you how you can add a link to an image. So go back to gallery here and click here, and now click on the image where you want to add the link. So let's say I want to add the link here. Now on the right hand side, go down and under custom link, now here you can add the link to the image. So once you have added the link, click on insert gallery and it's done. So let's go back to additional options, and I am going ahead with the lightbox. So if you select lightbox, one new tab will appear here as lightbox. So click here. Now under lightbox, you can add different actions to your lightbox. So if you click on this plus icon, you get different options such as zoom, share, slideshow, full screen, download and gallery. If I want my users to download the images, I can provide this option to them. So I'm going ahead with download and share option. So now when you click on an image, you can see on the top right, a share and a download icons are coming. You can also show caption below image. So if you toggle this on and if you click on the image, now you can see captions are coming under the image. And you can also change the typography and color and spacing of the caption from here. Okay, so we are done with the content tab. Now let's go to the style tab. So under style tab, the first option which you can see is layout. So from this, you can change the image spacing like this. So I think this looks perfect to me. Yeah. And under thumbnail, you can change the scale. You can change the opacity of the gallery of the grid, and image effect. Also, you can add filters to the image if you want. I really don't want any filters, so I'm going ahead with normal. And you can also add an overlay effect if you want. Now, if you click on hover, so from here you can change hover effect. So let's say when you click on the image like this, the scale will change and it will look like this. You can also change the image effect on hover. You can change the overlay color on hover and overlay icon as well. Okay, now let's go to the caption/description tab. So from here you can change the caption alignment. You can change the vertical alignment as well if you want it to be on the top like this, or if you want it in the middle, whichever suits your needs, go ahead with that. And you can change the color. You can change the background also, and you can add padding if you want. You can change the height from here, and you can change the HTML tag from here, add typography, and from here you can change the description typography and add margin. Now under enable animation, you can you can add a hover animation effect to your descriptions and speed also to your descriptions. So if you don't know how to add description or caption to the image, so I'll show you. So go to the content tab and go to gallery, and under gallery go here and select the image. Now here you can see caption and description. Now from here you can change the caption and description of the images. Okay, so let's go back to style. Let's go to the last tab, which is filterable tab. So click here. Now from here you can change the tab alignment if you want it on your left, center or right. You can change the typography as well from here. So yeah, I will make it this maybe, and then you can add padding if you want, and then you can change the spacing between tabs from here, and then you can change the bottom spacing here from here as well, and then you can change the text color. So let's make it this, and let's change the background color also. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with this maybe, yeah. And you can also set the border type, so I'm going ahead with solid, and let's add border width. You can also change the border color if you want. Okay, now let's go to the hover effect. So from here you can change the active color and the background color, maybe this. So now when you hover on it, the color will change like this. I think I don't really want a border, so I'll just go quickly on normal and change it to default. Yeah, this looks better. Okay, so once you're done with all the changes, go ahead and click on update. So let's see how does it look on our website. So let's go to our website and go to the page. So this is how it looks on our website. It looks pretty nice. I love the effect. And there you have it, a beautiful responsive image gallery created using Responsive Addons for Elementor plugin. And that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.